nene foto video anụ akịta eme ya mgbe ntị this video enwe some few comments na the comment section na akpọrọ m iyi na mamara ihe na-ekwu. I am not here to massage your ego as onye Igbo. Abịara m ebe ebe atụlụ gasị ka inwe aka ya esi wee kwue ya ka ndị metọ na some people. No, that truth, our Bible says, the truth is two-edged sword. Eziokwu na afọ ụfụ na arụ. Mma agwa gị ndụ na ebe atụalụ gasị, it will be a very shameful thing for me. Before that, na Biafra ahụ, that Biafra we all are admiring. That in Biafra Abia today, on which platform ka ọ na-abịa? I am not against Biafra. Mụ na onwe nke mekwu gome several Biafra abịa ka onye ọbụla mara ebe ọkwụ akwụ. Mana in the midst of that Biafra ịbịa, kedu ihe anyị ji aka? What are we waiting for? It is time to begin to hold our local government chairmen responsible, our House of Representatives responsible, our people responsible, because now, check Kenya, you on your part na nonsense na mama ihe nnekwu. Governor Soludo Onono Kita, can he sign a Biafran liberation freedom law into power today? Somebody like Hope Uzodinma sign here. Somebody like Dave Umahi and Ebonyi State higher sign here. Somebody like Governor Enugu State higher sign here. Now, in that video, if this part would the only part in that video, which means you are a hypocrite. Kedi government that can be able to employ over 200 youths in 6 months or in 1 year. Where is that Eastern company that can be able to employ people into offices, that can be able to employ youth into power? See, when you an average 5 state in Nigeria, na Eastern part, they produce 100,000 students graduate every year. And they produce 100,000 graduates every year. And there is no company that can employ at least 20,000 youths every year into power. Now, an average, calculate yourself, an average person now go to school at the age of 25 or at the age of 30. Now, Biafra, in us, okay, no company, the mana investors, investors in Abia under which platform? That guy, going to Nigeria, wayo, agency, Nigerian government, wayo, or billions of naira, wayo, which agency? Do you think that those people invested and are invested on empty ground? No, they saw something before coming. Investors, investors, na this project, this company, will take 5 years. So in a onye go to school at the age of 25, after 5 years to put on all. Or not na you go to school at the age of 30, after 5 years or after 3 years before you went all. What other time do you have to master your strategy? Be the raise a family of your own, be the save bego. I said all these things in that video. Say, Ndiba, Biafra meet here in this condition. We are in problem. I had worse than Somalia. Because now almost all the eastern roads in Eastern road milizo every year na lozo. Milizo every year na lozo. Then what is the way forward? Or Biafra that today I continue na lozo. For how long can I lozo? Or Biafra that today I continue na hospital. How long can I loya? Or Biafra that today a railway factory. Even investors in here attract investors are under which platform? Just for example, you go see investor empty land, say angwa lola ihedo tu ndosha na here for free. Ndi employ ayale for free. What are you giving them in bargain? Okay, man, local factory of 1 billion naira today. Allow factory will take here for 3-4 years we establish here. When you do mass production, when will that company grow and when will that product buy? There are some certain cabals occupy some seats in this Biafra agitation that needs to be removed. Then I will chebezi okay. Adigo. Ayen factory. Ayen nka that can be able to employ massive at least. Enwe school. For example, that na enwe company na run in 5 eastern states enwe so far. Enwe company 3. That now employ every year. Each of those 3 companies at least now employ 50,000 workers every year. plus ndị na imago are schedule ma ndị ya sack ma ndị ya change n'ọkwa. Those three companies employ 50,000 people every year. Anyị enwe 300,000 people na-apụta n'ọrụ. Unu adịgo sure okay this 300,000 submit application na ya anabata mmadụ 50,000, the rest ajeje chọọ ebo mmadụ na ya alụ ọrụ company, the rest awụrụ ndị ya alụ mekanik alụ, ọwụ ndị ya alụ ihe ọzọ alụ, akara aka niile dị n'iche iche. At least onwe ebe a gbadoro aka, nwee ebe a zodoro ụkwụ wee na-ekwu okwu. Nkwucha you say, I don't know what you are talking. Investors will come. You are talking around nonsense. You are talking nka. That when it comes to holding people responsible, some people are also from it. You are not irresponsible, be the responsible. So in actually okay, at the end of the day declare Biafra one. An average Igbo youth today. Signal security nka, no bon this police unit nka, no bonka, no bon na ha will be liberation nka, na ha bonka. Owe Beka ebuzi by then if we are eje tobande mmadụ from Nigeria na-ebunata na Biafra and na-akwụzi ransom because an idle man is a devil's workshop. Na-ekwu ihe like this, and asị m na mama ihe m na-ekwu na ama, think it out loud ka ịmada that na in this condition anyị nọ ya, o nwere ihe anyị ji aka, o nwere ihe anyị ji aka. Where are the companies? Where are the schools? Where are the hospitals? Where are the good roads? Our eastern governors are not doing anything. Ebonyi State ube Soludo by erosion na kwado Igbo Anambra State. Erosion na kwado Igbo Anambra State. Erosion go to Nnewi, the Japan of Africa. And what is the near? There is no motorable road in Nnewi today. Or didn't know can select by a low select. There is no road that connects village to village. Hapo ya na egusi na social media. Enwe ebe select that uzak ewe lo ake ewe me paparazzi. Man, the main project are not being done. That is what I am saying. Therefore, me like this, we are in a very deep problem. I know in a very deep problem. Kaida was now local as also. We need to come back as people. Say, Ndebaye, Kedin Kaijiaka, and Molokwa Yoyabo, Ekuboku today. I have seen Kemen. We should not start blaming Ipota tomorrow. An average Igbo youth today, they blame pastor for his mistake. He blame pastor, he blame okay, na pastor halo halo, kedi he di piagilum. Obu na pastor halo halo, obu na church halo halo, kedi he di piagilum, kedi he umunna gi meputemu, kedi he oboge your village obo you to meputemu for your village. Or he ebido jobazo onge before you start pointing accusing finger on people. I will still say it and I will still say it again. Our level of Biafra is the Achia today. Biafra Bia today, I am walk instantly. Biafra Bia today, I am wuzo instantly. Biafra Bia today, no hospital instantly. No factory instantly. That can be able to liberate the youth and give them hope. An average youth feel in a Biafra Bia today, everything will just fall from the sky. It is not so. Every child amolota atamambiro gabiji ozibo. Nwa amolo today yebugodo uzo gbe da binie gaije da binie before biro kudosibiko we gabiji of mo gabiji gasibiko we gbaba ọsọ. Mana for us to achieve what we want today as ndị Igbo, we must first of all tackle the issue from the root. Ndị ọjọọ nọ n'ọchịchị kwesịrị ka ewepụ. We need to be removed so that we know how to hold our people accountable. Then amala mmadụ ọ na-eti n'ọkwa kedu ha ya emenwu dị. Ekenekwa mụ na kwa ya sị ka nso ekwu biko ka ọ dịkwa.